Are you torn between many different good choices and you just don't know which one to take and it's causing you a lot of stress? Then this EFT tapping is for you. Hello and welcome to Tap Into Your Magic with me, Heather. I'm so happy you're here. It's time that we let this go. Choices. What's that Who's song? Stop giving me choices. It's probably how you feel right now. And we're not talking bad choices, I'm talking you've got lots of good choices, different paths that you can take, and you just don't know which one to take. Do you take this job? Do you go traveling? Do you start your own business? Do you move out? Like, so many things are on the table right now, and you cannot make a decision. And because you cannot make a decision, you feel stuck. So let's get started on the side of the hand, and let's go. Even though I feel confused, I don't know which choice to make. I keep asking around, keep asking myself, and I still don't have an answer. I choose to love and accept myself anyway. Even though I'm feeling stuck, I'm not where I want to be, but I have all these choices on the table. And I know one of them is going to change my life and get me out of this stuckness. I just don't know which one. And even though I feel frustrated, I choose to love and forgive myself. It's okay to have choices. I know I'm going to make the right one. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Okay, we are going to tap, and I'm going to give you some new ideas to think about. So this tapping at the end, hopefully you should feel a lot closer to which one you're going to pick. All these choices, all these options. Which one? Which one? One day I'm like, yeah, it's this one. And the next day I'm like, ooh, it's that one. And I just can't seem to take any action. Because these choices are going to make a big impact on my life. And I'm worried if I choose the wrong one, it's gonna mess everything up. I'm gonna feel so much regret. And I don't wanna feel like that. But I've been spending way too much time deciding. Way too much time overthinking. I know I just need to pick one and then it'll all be good. But what if I just flipped a coin and just picked the first one it gave me? And I committed to doing that. And what if it turned out to be a mistake? And I wasted precious time going in the wrong direction. I would just feel so bad. I'd feel disappointed. And I'd have to start again. Ugh. What if I saw this from a different perspective? What if it was a mistake? would that be so bad? I can always start again. And it just means that thing wasn't for me. And I didn't fail. After all, failure is just feedback. And even if I spend a year or 2 years going down the wrong path, at least I'd know that wasn't for me. And I'd have learned some valuable lessons. I'm not in a rush. I have all the time in the world. But if I don't do anything about the situation, I'm just going to end up exactly where I am right now. Would I rather stay stuck or learn a lesson? I think I'd rather learn a lesson. Because I'm not learning anything from just being sat overthinking. So I'm going to make a commitment to just choose one thing and follow it through. And if it works out, hooray, fantastic. And if it doesn't, there's nothing to worry about. It's not going to be a waste of money or time. It can't be worse than where I am right now. I could spend years trying to make the right decision, and I will have learned nothing, and I'd still be stuck. So many people that I admire made a mistake. They chose the wrong path or had to change their mind. And I am open to the possibilities. I am open to new directions. But it starts by making a choice and taking some action. Even though I might be really scared of change, and I'm using all of these choices as an excuse, I absolutely love myself. Maybe the only reason why I'm causing so much confusion is because I'm afraid to fail. I'm afraid I won't get it right. I'm going to stop talking to myself like that. Because I can handle whatever comes my way. I'm going to make a choice, and no matter what happens, it's going to be okay. I'm going to learn. Learning is fun. I'm making a choice. And that choice is to make a choice. Of all of the amazing options I have on the table, I'm ready to fail. But who knows, I might get lucky and one of them might just be the one. But I'm gonna let go of overthinking and trying to control the outcome. I know that everything is working out for me. take a big deep breath in, exhale. Everything is gonna work out for you. Whichever one that you pick, go for it. Now let's think about this in a different way just before you close the video. It's like going to a restaurant, your favorite restaurant. There are 10 things on the menu. You love all 10 things. You've got 10 good choices. Do you go, oh no, too many good choices? No, you pick one and you got to enjoy it. Yeah, maybe you might have liked the other meal more, but that's fine. You've made that decision and you can always go back to the restaurant and order a different one. Okay? So failure is feedback. Eat the whole buffet. Go out there, make a choice. And if you are still struggling, like I said, one thing that really helps is you flip a coin. If it's 2 choices, heads is that, tails is that. Or you can have, like, say, for example, paper, you rip it up, you write one on, you put it in a hat, pull it out the hat, and whichever one it is, you're gonna commit to that choice. And if you pull that up, that choice, and you go, oh, I didn't want that one, then you know which one you wanted. You have your choice. So, hope that helped. Make a choice. See you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for your support.